good afternoon or good morning, depending on when you're watching this video. This is the solar system and Virginia watersheds crossword. Today should be March 21st, Monday, I believe. This is the last two fourth grade topics that we're reviewing of science. And then after spring break, you guys will work on the fifth grade crossword puzzles. I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen and we'll go over the answers together. So solar systems first, I'm gonna do the across ones, the smallest planet. So we remember my very eager mother just served us nuggets. That's from biggest to smallest. And sorry, that is not from biggest to smallest. My very eager mother just served us nuggets is from in order from the sun. I remember Jason sat under 98 vicious monsters munching. So Jason sat under 98 vicious monsters munching. So Jason, Jupiter, sat Saturn under Uranus, 90, Neptune, 8, Earth, vicious Venus, monsters, and monster starts with M and ends with S, just like Mars. Vicious monsters munching, and both munching and Mercury have the letter U. So Mercury is our smallest. That's 2. The Earth's twin. Who is the Earth's twin? That would be Venus. Pluto is now this type of planet. It's considered a dwarf planet. So when I was in elementary school, there was 9 planets, but now there's only 8 because Pluto's now considered a dwarf. Along with Ptolemy, this man believed that Earth was the center. That would be Aristotle. Did I spell his name? I did not spell his name correctly, guys. No, I did. Our solar system has 8 of these. We have 8 planets. Our solar system has thousands of these, but we have named, what do we have? Thousands of moons. He invented the telescope and proved that the sun was the center. He's someone you need to know. Excuse me. It's Galileo. So the celestial body is 110 times the size of the Earth. That would be the sun. And he believed the sun was the center of the solar system. That would be Copernicus. All right, going down. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are this type of planet. They are called terrestrial. I misspelled it. Hold on. Because they're solid, right? They're like we are solid. We have our core and our magma. We have a mantle, outer core, inner core. Also, all those planets too. Mercury, Venus, Mars are all solid. It takes the sun's light 8.5 minutes to reach this celestial body. That would be us, Earth. So for light to leave, right, here's our sun. Once the light leaves the sun, it takes 8.5 minutes to reach Earth, which is kind of crazy. Looking at the next one, the Earth completes one of these every 24 hours. That would be one rotation. Every 24 hours, we rotate once. The Earth completes one of these every 365.5 days. That would be a revolution. The largest planet would be Jupiter. Jupiter. This is the acronym for the 8 planets. So my very eager eager mother just served us nuggets. Jupiter, Saturn, they are known as gas giants because they are made of gas and they are all of our biggest planets. This is a celestial body is 1/4. That would be the moon. The moon is 1/4 the size of Earth. All right, let's go over Virginia watersheds. All right, Virginia's runoff is deposited into blank major watershed. 3. Virginia resource used for fuel, that would be coal. The southernmost watershed, that would be Gulf of Mexico. That's number 8. Gulf of Mexico. Forests that are purposely grown, those are called cultivated. Cultivated forests. So we plant trees there, right? We purposely plant trees. They don't grow on their own. 12, Virginia's lakes, rivers, forests, mountains offer a variety of recreational. So you can go camping, you can go swimming, boating, right? Hiking, all of those things. Our watershed that covers half of the Virginia area, that would be the Chesapeake Bay. Make sure I spelled Chesapeake correct. All right, our down includes groundwater, lakes, reservoirs, rivers, and bays. This would be our water resources. Includes forests, farmland, wildlife, and aquatic organisms. So those would be our natural resources. The watershed just south of us, that would be the North Carolina Sounds. North Carolina Sounds. Virginia resource that's used to make countertops, that would be granite. Virginia resource that's easily dissolved by acid, that would be limestone. Number 9, an area over which surface water and the materials it carries, that would be watershed. That should be interesting. We'll just have to add that in. For some reason, that was really weird. That should be an R right there. A Virginia resource that can be found in the tidewaters, that would be sand. That's really weird. Somehow we were missing a square there, or the squares got off. I'm not really sure what happened in that problem, actually. Hopefully you guys did well. Hopefully this is coming back to you. You're remembering. And I will see you guys after spring break.